Hey guys and girls, it's Friday the 31st of July 2020, 1:36. Over here, I don't know if you can see, it's sunny, 34 degrees, and possible danger of dehydration and heat stroke while doing strenuous activities. So on that note, we're going to hop on our bikes and we're going to cycle down there to the Mareteca, and we're going to cycle all the way around, and we're going to stop off and swim and do all sorts of stuff. Doug, we need you to look after the house for us. Good boy.
I'm just boosting my cycling power.
Let's do this. So this is our first swimming spot. We could have gone to a few more which were around the way there. In that direction over there is where our farm is. So we've cycled to the other side of the dam. So there's a couple of swimming spots. But what we want to do is we want to cycle right the way around and do all the little spots before we go back home. And stop off and cool off along the way. Yeah. So Gina's just told me that I don't have the battery cover on the GoPro, so I can't take the GoPro swimming with me. That's a little bit unfortunate, but we'll make another plan. Well, that was a really nice swim. She's just gonna have to take my word for it. Unfortunately. Thanks to Gina though, I didn't dive into the water with this bloody camera without its battery door on. I left the battery door at home, so there's going to be no water photography. Yeah, so Gina's ingenious idea is to freeze the water bottles so you've got like a big lump of ice inside. And obviously it's really hot today and the ice just melts as you cycle along. Because otherwise you fill it up with water and by the time you've cycled about 15 minutes it's like boiling hot water. So this over here is a big pump. You can actually hear, and you can hear the water going through it. And it's got on the sign here, it says something about, I don't know, like that it's been co-financed by the European Union. And it looks like 70% of the funds came from the EU, which is pretty amazing. It says it cost 1.5 million euros, and the EU paid 1.1 million euros of that. So yeah, amazing. Now I've heard that this is the drinking water for Castelo Branco, so I'm not sure if this is where the water sort of comes in, but it looks like it. There's like just so many different spots around this dam where you can enjoy yourself, you know. This looks like some kind of overflow canal system. It's probably for if the dam starts to get too full, I'm assuming, and then you can release some water down there. And then this over here is, I don't know, Aguas do Vale do Tejo. So I'm guessing this is like a, yeah, it says a station of treatment for water of Santa Agueda. So this is the water treatment plant, 70% financed by the EU. Now this is quite a nice little spot. It's directly on the opposite side of the dam to where we live. We actually live directly in front. You can see the Gardenia Mountains, and there's like a little dirt road here, and then it takes you right onto the water. You can drive your car right up, or your bike. someone's got a sup board over here. Looks like a good place to start supping, actually. You can drive your car right up, and yeah, you don't have to carry your board far. And also, whenever I come here, there's always a lot of guys fishing, so it must be a really good fishing spot. Well, that was rather nice. Right, I guess back on the bikes, and let's do the rest. Wow, so this is quite the house, surrounded by fruit trees, and then this amazing, like brand new built house, like a beautiful granite entrance, and then these big gates going through this orchard and onto the Mareteca. Wow, what a place. Huh. Magnificent. Hello, sheep. What's going on? Wow. It's really pretty around here. All of these oak trees, these olive groves. Hey, what was that? Olives, but they just haven't been pruned properly. Oh no, wait, those aren't olives. No, you're right. What are those? Maybe some kind of a nut tree. Yeah, I don't know. Huh. Well, it's definitely an orchard of them, whatever they are. This is an interesting looking farm here. Yeah, so this must be the sheep farm, because they've got lots of feed here. Lots of straw. Yeah. Interesting place. Yeah, and then they've got tons of sheep. Look at this. And then the Mareteca Dam just over there. Wow, look at this irrigation system. Jeez. Amazing. So for them, I don't think water's a problem, you know. They're probably pulling water straight out of the dam and just dumping it all over the fields here. Yeah, you can actually see down by the water there's like a concrete building, and I imagine that's probably something that you'd put a pump in. I'm just obviously guessing here, but yeah, I mean, you got all of that. You got millions and millions of liters of water there, and then you've got these green fields, which is at this time of year pretty much unheard of here. So I think this irrigation system looks like it goes in a circle. So in the center is like a pivot point, and then it looks like it does a circle around, like these wheels go around in a circle and put down water. So you get like, well, it's like a giant sprinkler system. Okay, so I don't really know where I am now. I'm a little bit lost. I wanted to get down to the water, but we've got two routes. I think we just stick to our plan and we go back to where we came from and see if we can go around a bit more. Sweetheart, I think we go back and then we turn right, because we got too many choices here and we're kind of going back on ourselves. Well, what do you think? Do you want to go down this way? Yeah. Okay. Oh, what a lovely little spot. But obviously someone's fishing here, so we don't want to go and ruin his peace. This is quite nice. Wow. Huh. Hope he doesn't go and chase Gina now. She should be all right. Oh wow, here we go. This looks good. Oh, and there's another car parked here. Yeah, I think these are all the best spots and people know about them, so people are coming down here fishing and stuff. Wow, this is lovely. Huh. Ow, ow. Jeez, that was painful. Yeah. Huh. So our farm is just behind those trees in the distance there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a lovely spot, huh? This guy, obviously, he's like one of the locals. Check, he's got the old Bedford truck. That's like a proper local vehicle here. And this is going to be his little chill out fishing spot. No one comes here apart from two people to destroy his peace. Lovely. This is a lovely beach here, huh?
Yeah.
But you need a 4x4 to get here. It was quite rough on the bike. So Gina, did you have a little tumble? Are you alright?
But it was slow.
It was a slow motion wipeout.
Yeah.
Oh, these little flies are annoying as hell. Oh, jeez, go away. Okay, so we need to go up this track here and follow it straight until we get to where we need to go. And hopefully we get to swim soon.
When you go.
So I believe we're coming up to the Rio Ocreza, or the Ocreza River. I think that's what this little bridge is over here. It's the first time I've been here, so yeah, wow, look at that. Oh, this is lovely. Huh. So that's the Ocreza River. It runs all the way up. Doesn't seem to be flowing very fast, but yeah, it's kind of wide, so I don't know. I'd love to take the kayak down here one day. Amazing. So we're back on tar now. Yeah, it's been a pretty good cycle. We've done 18.67 kilometers and it's taken about 1 hour 10, but we've been stopping off and swimming, as you've seen. And yeah, it's just a really beautiful day. I'm just waiting for Gina to catch up, and then we're going to hit this tar road. We're going to hang one more right and take another little dip in the dam, and then yeah, see where it takes us. now we're down at our favorite little swimming hole, and this is the one that's at the very end of our road, and it's the one where we take Dog a lot. We're going to have our last little dip here, and then we've gone right around the lake. So yeah, pretty awesome. How cool is this? So we've done 20 kilometers in 0.57. 20.57 kilometers, 1 hour 15. So yeah, it's a 650 hectare dam. So yeah, it's quite a cycle to get around it. It's amazing. There we go. Well, that was great. And now it's off on the final leg of our journey. We're going to go and we're going to go home. Frozen water. Home sweet home.
Hello.
And now what better way to finish off the day with a nice ice cold beer, and yeah, cheers everyone.